This part work has been supplied to me free of charge from DeAgostini. If you'd like to build along, pop along to DeAgostini.com where you can order one for your very own. They also have several other part work build-up models that you can build for everything from cars to boats and everything in between. So I'd like to thank them very much for giving me the opportunity to build this so you can all watch and see exactly how it all goes together. Hello, I'm Chris, this is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 91 of building the Ford GT. This issue, I hope, marks the end of playing with hoses, so we can get to some actual building. After looking at Ford Mustang Mark IV, doesn't look like a Mustang. I don't know. It doesn't do it for me, that one. It's all right. It's just a normal car, isn't it? Nothing special about that one in the slightest. So there we go. Look at that. We've got some more parts that we're going to be putting aside for later. We're going to be playing with hoses, which, to be honest, I might not even do. But then we get to play with parts from issue 1. We're going to be putting the lights onto the front. And, yeah, getting prepped for the next time when we're going to be using the parts from this time. It's very confusing as to the order they give you parts in. But there we go. Let's clear this out of the way and see what I can get up with. Right, so this issue we get this bit. I'm not even sure what it is, but we're not doing anything with that yet. I'll put that to one side. I have dug out from issue 1 these headlights, which we'll be using in a bit. Some more tubes, which I'm not even going to try and fit because I can't see them afterwards. We do have the frame to fit, so I should be doing that. Let's do that now. That goes onto this back section here. We've got 4 screws that will hold that in place. If I get it the right way round. Yeah, there we go. So basically, they'll go on there like that. Yeah, it's got to be that way up. So we've got posts there and posts there that will hold that in place, which we use 4 of those screws to. Let's get that on, and then I'll dig out the rest of it and fit the bits to the front grille. Right, that's gone on there. It's gone in the opposite way up to where I thought. It's got the ridge on the inside, so I'm assuming there's casing or whatever's going to fit into there. I haven't worried about the tubes. I will keep them safe and possibly come back to it, but I doubt it, to be honest. It's all going to be covered up, and I can't tell exactly where they got to go. It's very complicated, and they don't fit as well as they should. So I'm not too concerned about those. So let's clear this out of the way, and let's get these bulbs fitted to the front nose cone. So let's have a look at this. It's our front nose. It's nice. I like it. It's going to fit obviously onto the body at some point. But first of all, we've got these 2 lights way back from issue 1 to install. Now these obviously will have bulbs fitted to them by the looks of it. But we've got 2 posts, one post and 1 screw hole because they are screwed in place. So we're going to need 2 of these screws that came with the grill. Grill, one nose. So 2 of those. Let's get that prepped. Those, and they're going to go into the outsides there. So we've got big hole, little hole, big hole, little hole. Get that lined up. One in. The other one's not quite lined up right. Going to take a little bit of twisting and manipulation to get that lined up properly. Oh, I'm going to have to get in closer than that. Let's have a look. Let's see. So it is pretty much vertical, so it should be all right to go in vertical. Just double check that these aren't actually spiral. No, they are the same. Not that it's slightly offset to one side to make it easier or not. So it's just a case of getting it lined up. That one seems to line up quite well, but the other side is less so. I thought I had it then, but I didn't. Right, let me do one of these and see how the other one goes. Right, there you go, that's running. So yes, the easier way I found of doing it is to actually use a pair of tweezers or something to go through the central bulb hole and come out into the bulb hole on the bulb itself, or the bulb holder, and then it should pretty much line up. Is it not lining up this time? Come on, you know you want to. The right way round. Don't twist round on me. I knew it would be easy. The one that I did first, easy. This one that I'm trying to do on camera, not so easy. Right, I'll turn the camera off and it'll work first time, but I'll do this off camera and show you what it looks like when it's completed. Right. No, it didn't go in straight away as soon as I turned the camera off. Very didn't. Very much faffing around for that one, but eventually it's on there. So they're both connected now. Keep holding it the wrong way up because this is lower than you think it should be. So that is those done now. It almost made me long for doing tubes again. Getting that in there, that wasn't quite as fun. But that's that. So that's it done for this issue. Next issue, we're going to be continuing with this bit. We're using the brackets that we got this time and a few times back, or last time, and attaching that to this to continue the build. So thank you very much for watching. Hopefully you're enjoying it more than I'm enjoying building it, because I'm not enjoying this particular build at the moment. But next time I'm sure we will. It'll all come together nicely and it'll be lovely. So thanks for watching. Stay safe. I'll see you soon. Bye bye for now.